Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an Aviator Predictor bot in Telegram. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to download Telegram. So just go to the App Store on your iPhone or Android device, or if you are on a computer, just go to the Telegram website. Just download the application like this, type in Telegram. The steps are gonna be similar on an Android phone for Google Play Store. So just download Telegram like this, and then you just have to follow these steps. Actually, first of all you have to go to this GitHub link. Just search Aviator bot Telegram on github.com and download this code, and then you have to follow these steps. So you have to set up your development environment. So install Python and necessary libraries like Python Telegram bot, which in this case is the GitHub link codes. And then you have to create a Telegram bot. Go to Telegram and chat with the bot further to create a new bot. Note down the API token provided, and as you'll need it for your code, and develop the prediction algorithm, code the bot functionality, test and deploy the bot, and that's about it. So yeah guys, that's about it, and this is the bonus tip if you want to take a look at it. And yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.